Hi, my name's Michelle Laney, and the topic that I chose for my integrated unit was pumpkins. As you can see, I must be ready for fall and cooler temperatures because that's the topic that I thought of first. I thought it would be a good topic as well for first graders. I think a lot of young children enjoy fall. They think of going to the pumpkin patch to pick out pumpkins for their houses. They might think of Halloween and trick-or-treating. They enjoy when the temperature starts to get cooler and they play outside and it feels better. So I thought it might be a fun idea for them. To begin with an ELA, I would introduce the unit with lots of different books about pumpkins. The children would be able to explore these books. They would be able to make connections with these books and share their experiences in their own lives about pumpkins with their classmates. In writing, we could do a lot of different things. One of the things is we could just look at pumpkins in our classroom. We could look at the insides, we could look at the outsides, and we could come up with words that describe the inside and outside based on the characteristics. In math, there's lots of ways to incorporate pumpkins. First off, we could just see how much they weigh, discuss weight. We could measure the circumference of pumpkins, talk about that. We could order pumpkins in various ways, try and figure out different ways to order them. We could have pumpkin seeds and count pumpkin seeds. We could count the lines on the outside of the pumpkin. Those kind of things. Also, we could use the information we get with that and use tally marks to show the data that we collected. Science would be a lot of fun with pumpkins as well. The activity sink or float. Many kids would be really interested whether or not the pumpkin would sink or float in water. Children would have time to make predictions, then they could actually do the experiment, and then they would have the opportunity to record the results, which would hit many of those science standards, process skills. In addition to those, I think we could incorporate some art standards by doing lots of different activities with pumpkins. One simple one would be giving the kids a brown paper bag, letting them fill it up with something inside, painting it with paint, putting a green stem on it, all the things to make a pumpkin. And I think they would enjoy that. Overall, I think this unit would be one that any first grader could connect with in some way, and it would interest them, and I would enjoy teaching it. So, thank you for listening to my integrated unit on pumpkins.